Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, keeping track of inventory doesn't have to be complicated. Sortly makes inventory tracking simple, visual, and hassle-free. Let's break it down. Sortly allows you to organize products, equipment, and supplies with easy-to-use digital folders, QR codes, and barcodes. You can track stock levels, locations, and movement in real time, all from one intuitive dashboard. Its automation tools and mobile app make it ideal for small businesses, teams, or anyone who wants to stay on top of inventory without manual spreadsheets or complicated systems. Sortly keeps inventory organized, accessible, and efficient so you can focus on running your business. If you want simple, stress-free inventory management in 2025, Sortly gives you control, clarity, and efficiency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.